women don't traditionally play the didgeridoo in Australian Aboriginal culture. In fact, it's forbidden. And that's my excuse for not ever having been able to conquer the technique of circular breathing, which is a method that the Aboriginals have used for tens of thousands of years, by which they inhale while pushing air out of their mouth at the same time. And so they're able to get a constant supply of air to blow through this didgeridoo, this hollowed out tree trunk. That's all this is. This is bamboo. And make a resonant sound that is used in not only Aboriginal music, but modern music throughout the world. So if you want to learn how to play the didgeridoo, you don't even need one to practice, and it'll take you probably a couple weeks to get it down. Make an OK sign. Hold it up to your lips. And what you're going to do with your lips is you're going to make like a raspberry vibration with your lips. Not a farting sound. Farting sounds, people use their tongues. You don't want any tongue. It's just lip. So you're going to go, but you're going to tighten your lips like that. You're going to hold your OK sign up to your mouth. I always put it on the side. It's easier for me, but some people put it in the middle. And you're going to make that sound until you can actually make it sound a little bit like music in a didgeridoo all by itself. Sounds funny, right? But once you get it down, you can do it into the hollow tree trunk, in this case, bamboo, by doing the same thing. Instead of with the circular part of your OK sign, use the circular part of the didgeridoo up against your mouth and do the exact same movement with your body, with your lips. Now, if I had mastered the art of circular breathing, I would be able to play that all the way through without a single break in the sound, without a single, it would seem like I didn't take a breath through the entire song.